Okay, Camo. Last time we do activities, you always win. I'm starting to think that you cheated or something because there's no way an intellectual person such as myself is always losing. I'm not being a sore loser or anything, but I got a solution how to solve this. Rubik's Cube. Whoever solved the puzzle first wins the battle. Alright, watch the master at work. Time to get my Rubik's on. I'm gonna solve this in 10 seconds. Watch and learn. Alright, I got this. Stand back. The mad genius is at work. If anyone could solve this in record time, it's me, because, you know, I'm a mad genius. I solved it! And it only took 5 days and no showering. In your face! I mean, you know what Einstein and me have in common? We're both genius. Yeah, that's right. Walk away. You know that you're losing this match. They don't hand out participation trophies to anyone, you know? And I got 10 of them. So, let's see if you can solve this in record time. 5 days. Rubik's Cube is my jam. Alright, Camo. Here's the Rubik's Cube and you just mess it up, okay? Now you can't cave at the first sign of pressure. I'm gonna make it this extra fair. Hold on. You just sit up a bit so you can never succeed. I mean, so it'll be more of a challenge for you. Here you go. Here you go. Good luck, buddy. You'll need it. You cheated! And you know it! There's no way you could possibly solve the Rubik's Cube faster than I could. I'm a mad genius, and you're not. I must have like the same IQ as Einstein or something. It's rigged, and you know it. You can't keep winning. I mean, between us, I'm the better person at competitions. I'm good at everything, you know? I got 10 participation trophies, and you got 0. You know, that's saying something. I set the world record. So, you didn't. Hey, buddy. It's funny running into you here in the same house we live in. So, forget the Rubik's Cube incident. How about, just the top of my head, we do a beatbox battle, you know? Friendly beatbox. No one's gonna get their feelings hurt. I'll start. Yeah. They call me salty a lot. Yeah. Not because poor sportsmanship. Scratch that. They call me Sir Beat. Yeah, it's beat not. You can't beat that, yeah. That's just my sick beats right there. How dare you throw them some sick beats? That's my job! Okay, I'm not gonna get mad. Good sportsmanship. Oh, the heck with good sportsmanship!